As they talk about and say after all that prayer for finish Ajimi for Ramadan country people, then plenty people also die for Egypto. Die for Egypto. We talk to you about dying for inside road accident when take place for country people. Then Bakasiri come back for Cameroon. They show how it is so Consul General for Nigeria sign up for this country people. Then with governor for Boya, they will talk about this mami where this the holy beat for Ngongsoa Kwata say this don't go dig ground for start Ngongsoa put berry medicine for day will tell you about APE for lycée bilingue de Daido where this don't just go from 15,000 to take for 30,000 30,000 country people the over chicken Then we talk about Union Sportive de Douala. We the members they don't win match by forfeiture. Now, a professional league don't talk serious. So Union Cotton Sport they go play that match again. Country people they want a football over. It can happen. So this some fisherman don't die for that side for Moya groupement Moya. We now for Tongo village for this country people. Then we rainfall for Yapasi road the Tongo village for Moya for Yapasi road today. For plenty, then anything happened to him now. Michel country pour Michel for the country pour this one pitching TV News, Equinox Television with me, Eze, Ekuleku, Tolidi, Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum for all who are Muslim and again for this Friday. Make us start with same story for today. Same story for today can be say with country people then. Engine saw talk say in no fit ever fear size from Boma tree. Same story for today. Engine saw talk say in no fit ever fear size for big Boma tree. We'll give you that one. Na Nkai Martin. Nkai Martin for Kumbade. Thank you plenty Nkai Martin for Kumbade contributing engine source. You know if it ever fear big size for Boma tree. Then we talk about an actory for Una, this country people they say what it can happen now. Say this from Ngongsoa quarter and what happen from Ngongsoa quarter day country people them. Now this chapter 14 with the column say this so mami way this so the catch say don't bury dig ground for Ngongsoa field. Bury medicine for them. Mami talk say this na country fashion. Where he go the do for the country people them na country fashion go the do now for they take it go down for chef de quartier for the naki for this take come back na can dika move am back for the place na Balok it put am for this so country people. Never this église the catch scientific man beat am so they almost died before police them for intervention rapid. Then they can go live am for La Quintine hospital. Betty died for La Quintine hospital this morning 10 country people them. People to fear quoi. Et après, on talk about so for Bonaberry Day as they don't show and pass mark. Bonaberry Day say they fix road come for God routier can show Bonasama. But from for God routier go that said for Bekoko they country people them na unasia. Bonaberry road they so country people them. That small place not even reach 2 kilometers. Yes. From for God routier go reach for Nobo. Ndobo right, no be saying Ndobo ring, Ndobo safe. Ndobo right, they so come to look road. I say, oh boy, he bad for here. They don't talk and even this bend where the bend go that side there for Bundale. Bend to where the bend enter that side there for place where they call them for this Ngwele. I say, all thing bad na bad for them. They big quarter for that one where they talk about them for this chapter and this palaver and so contribute. Can't get away when I get a look up for right this way, but I said, could they take 1 hour for that small place we know even reach 2 kilometers? 1 hour. First time we've been for common for the carry Bonasama. They don't fix the other one. Stop for front display qu'on a ancien Sonel and agence Sonel for Sodiko Bonaberry de ce country people. Wonderful palavas ainsi. When they talk about chapter for road and all the kind and where these people they suffer for that road to us when they get for the country people. We talk to about this other palaver for APE. C'est this na lycée bilingue de they do they complain about them for chapter for APE where they so principal don't just skyrocket to take go for that side the place where they call and say so 30,000 francs from 8,500 to 15,000 now 30,000 they talk about and contributing like this. Yes, I say. Papa picking the wrong vex. Parents the wrong vex. Right letter say for head of state Nkunkuma for Yaoundé. Red hate letter to say now for this man call and say this to Prime Minister Philemon Yang. Say, hey, don't bat. All this matter say don't bat for the country. Enter and for go see Prince Person they talk about them. Yes. Now say, this way don't bat. Say don't bat. Palaba wait. Say this will go from 8,500 to 15,000. Now they double them by 2. Wait, president for that app where they talk with this, and I say, may they try now for pay money. Which money? Monsieur le Premier Ministre. Now later this letter. Later the dénonciation. I say, look at wonderful thing. We shall see this to the law discharge. Let me say they don't discharge the later. They don't receive for the. This will and say this office so that's ID. Can't we come matter now they talk about them. Say parents go do her with this plan for the school. Hey, this will the all things will pay how much money for this country people in so and so. Say this will be the back money person don't spend for take this building. How manage for that school? As we not get time for this chapter and this but lava for this for the discipline they did with other school and tool they say technique for long two we don't go for 35,000 then they say in dock him for pay can do this so or the same kind the same kind to talk about them for school. They want to reopen so we'll get teachers them for this picking debate for this weekend. Now, I mean, there inside all this issue, then whether it be right or wrong, even chapter 2 for the JCE results and how will they prepare back to school for this palaver and so country. People that know, so for staff room now, they prepare for this matter, so this kind of country. People them now go for Bakassi, say this one show now, how it through they do the symbolic handing over of Bakassi to Cameroon like this. Bakassi na Cameroon na name where they so this Honorable Paul Aya Abinegian for Mimbo half a house where the same Mulude for that side for around a Munyarot for Boyade country people them. Wait happen I see the photo where Olusegun Obasanjo he and Kukuma Paul Biya they sign like they make toast for front handshake toast for this front this Michael and Kofi Atanan. Then when they saw Governor Okalia Bilai because that side they for go visit Bakassi Day. Maybe say inside the office after 11 years, it don't last, can't happen. They give 5 years to see they respect all the treat them and they take time now for draw the map again and then can cut the boundary for them. Consul General for Nigeria for this northwest and southwest region there. They that with him Agbada Saro for skin this with the black cap the pass. They don't give him now symbolically this Wednesday we pass for place where they call and see this governor's office for that side for Boya this will front governor way she done for cheer for President Kunkuma for that side for here when they go now. President na water too and the corner water na danger. All man be like for go spend weekend for Kribi. Kribi don't bat now. People they die any day. Una want go Kribi, una look out to water. The camera to una sustain for corner water finish. Una for the all thing they so contribute una sian. I say, water don't them lost sense now for that side play where they call and see the so now. Kribi. I say even tree water they can move trees to uproot them through on the other side. Look at water they drive people now for corner water they bad other one they fall. I say water the drive people for that side say don't bat now so and they move house the dig has to erosion one finish house big trees so water check am put on that side with this so when I don't bat creepy now I mean water they don't lost sense vex so that say look am Jakarta Foundation and broke in and enter inside better and underground they just the dig and they go people they don't abandon their house take Tokyo run past Mbimbi because now water they just they can't they finish them they finish and way they so all man must look out where they go now for go spend weekend for corner water for creepy they so country people they man must look out how they sing and say we now look out to inside this kind issue them for this so country people they yes canoe themselves thing the work again fish out in now just the dinner that go water can't kill them for corner water for this so country people as Joseph Abona he send for you for that side water don't lost sense don't change gear to take crazy for that side for creepy this so country people they as the thing they come it take place when they get inside the chapter look at water don't does the overflow it bounce now they finish people then for them we go now for Egypto talk to it yesterday for Egypto they say this so people don't die past 500 for that side and even vice president who he resign number 2 man resign for this step down for this issue then they want to see after where Mohamed El Baradi, that means the vice president for the he resigns, say no fit continue for inside government where people they die, they kill people and so with real bullet them. Barack Obama president too for America to not come for table talk say all American when they dey for Egypt make come back for their country and then they no get for using a force. Look come and open fire for people who no get weapon arm their own arm na stone. Look and shoot people them better shoot them real bullets for that side to people don't die past 500 for this country people I say die past 500 now they go save off route even railway say better me all things scatter inside that country for this country. People them as in a gun outside gun and bomb two way you blast outside for finish people them for that side for Egypto so country to read the badge the so badge go reach for all side we fit go reach to for this so country people wonderful power for Egypto for that side the way after Hosni Mubarak country they make it coup d'etat Mohamed Morsi will they vote them so they can make it to na coup d'etat for us look so then they try to put they bend down then they shoot their own power for this so inside the matter so country people that they can't they talk for issue and the palaver them for things that can happen for that side for Egypt for this country people wonderful kind palaver them as we talk about them okay now that's palaver rape for Ebola will come back the end so man don't chop so for small people come back for the after country but don't enter for étranger that means say for outside country then we'll enter for sports now so you know sir beg no vex inside the palaver stay with sports. They talk about them say this so a situation can happen for the Frank Happy and Union Sportive. They will wait this people them wait these people them for outside for Cotton Sport may they can't play with them. So now delay match now for number 19 day for Elite One Championship. Wait time to take grass grow for their foot. They will play match for 1:30. They wait to take 1:45 15 minutes now. The free and talk say okay they don't see and say Cotton never come. But around past 2, well later come now for talk from professional league say that match is to postpone. I say now for professional league we talk say this so they must put now for feature for day. Now when I talk say this so Cotton never come, may they consider them and they go postpone the match play for another day so country. So Union belong before stadium. Now after put a wait to take then number 2 match winner Astro with Njala Kwan Sports Academy. And then the last can play their own day now. So they say this weekend Union they play now with the Pantin Zumang to for that side this so for Panda Stadium country people them. Now they say this so engine so talk say no the fear big size for Boma 3 say this palaver. See now some picking we don't lost for this palaver so country people them. Yes now for French Madame Nzié Agnès Nathalie, Madame Nzié Agnès Nathalie déclare la disparition de sa fille Eda Marie-Claire. Âgée de 6 ans, elle serait partie de la maison depuis le 15 août 2013 aux alentours de 19h pour aller acheter du pain et n'est jamais revenue. Elle habite le quartier d'Oksimbi, Bassa, Douala, derrière la station Golf Fin. Au moment de sa disparition, la petite Eda Marie-Claire était vêtue d'une jupe rose avec des étagères, d'un t-shirt rose clair également et d'un pull de couleur verte aux pieds. Elle portait des babouches sans confiance. Sa mère Agnès prie toute personne qui l'hébergerait de bien vouloir la conduire à Equinox Télé ou alors la contacter au numéro qui s'affiche au bas de votre petit écran 74 32 15 54 74 32 15 54 ou encore le 99 56 24 69 99 56 24 69 contre très forte récompense. That's my opinion also et dans Marie-Claire 6 years de Stéphane Doximbi et mamie Ndié Agnès Nathalie send me go buy bread for boutique yesterday so na see that small girl picking avec una try bring it for Equinox television. Mamie will give una plenty dash for this country people there. So you know, some big doctor, and so the end one for today. Thank you plenty for this one. Thank you to collaborators them and all put it on join free for yes. So yes, various virus. This number where it comes on a number when I give a call for all two will happen for all side by side except for that side for Moya for Tongo Village, Moya de as you pass Yabasi for go Bazu where the so fisherman don't die except for Ebebda where man the Dixable don't die too for this palaver will be an awful now. Die body with the meet up and for Sanaka Wata yesterday for a day we go show for this for news and tomorrow morning time for Pidgin News Country people. If una see my back, na ibisi my belly ide for front country people. Bye bye.